If you run a SaaS company, you're gonna want to watch this because I'm going to show you exactly how we generate leads for our SaaS to book more than 500 demos every single month. And this is a method that you can use yourself today to generate leads, start doing outreach, and book those sweet demos. What we use is a tool called LeadsForge. LeadsForge is basically a search engine to find leads. Instead of messing around with filters, you basically talk to it as if it was your friend, like you talk to ChatGPT, and it will find leads for you. You can try it out for free, you get like 100 credits, and here's how you use it. You log in, you sign up, and you'll be met with this interface. You can simply describe your ideal customer's profile, right? Their industry, size, location, etc. And this app will go ahead and find leads for you using AI. So for example, let's say we're selling this app, LeadsForge, right? We would want companies that are focusing on sales. So let's say, give me lead generation agencies in the USA with less than 200 employees. Give me contacts of sales managers, SDRs, sales agents. And here you go. I mean, if I was selling LeadsForge, I would have 2,300 leads right away. I can now take these leads, enrich them, get their LinkedIn, do LinkedIn outreach, get their email, do cold outreach, email outreach, use LinkedIn to hyper-personalize cold emails with Salesforce, and have leads for days. Repeat this with your industry and you'll have enough leads to book 500 demos every single month. Now again, you can try it out for yourself. You get 100 free credits, so just use the link in the description. And once you finish that, check out this video because here I show you exactly how to send 10,000 cold emails every single day.